alliance, such as its members or members, and under the last administration, violent crime throughout the country. We need Greenland, very importantly, for international security. We have to have Greenland. It's not a question of, do you think we can do without it? We can't. If you look at Greenland right now, if you look at the waterways, you have Chinese and Russian ships all over the place. And we're not going to be able to do that. We're not relying on Denmark or anybody else to take care of that situation. And we're not talking about peace for the United States. We're talking about world peace. We're talking about international security. It's really protection not only of our country, of the world.
Vi bliver nødt til at gå i dialog. Det er der ingen tvivl om, og det første vi gør, det er at gå i dialog med vores aller tætteste. Vi bliver nødt til at rykke endnu tættere sammen i bussen, sådan som situationen er nu.
Og hvem er jeres aller tætteste?
Jamen, det er da selvfølgelig Danmark, og så har vi USA også, men det er jo der hele humlen ligger. Vi skal i dialog med dem alle sammen. Uden dialog, så løser vi absolut ingenting.